Introduce highlight features or overview summary of NidoDegato steppers for exercise. There are features include multifunctional fitness experience. Our step fitness machine is not just a simple piece of exercise equipment, it simulates the real motion of climbing stairs, providing a full-body aerobic workout. Compared to traditional steppers, it engages the legs, glutes, and core muscles more effectively, allowing users to enjoy the benefits of outdoor stair climbing right at home. Height-adjustable design. Considering the varying heights of users, our step fitness machine features adjustable pedals and handles. Users can easily customize the height of the equipment to suit their comfort and posture, ensuring a safe and effective workout every time. This user-friendly design makes the machine suitable for the whole family, allowing both adults and children to find their ideal settings. Convenient foldable storage. Limited space is a common issue in modern homes. Our step fitness machine is designed with a foldable structure, making it easy to store after use without taking up much room. Whether placed in a corner of the living room or tucked beside a wardrobe, it seamlessly integrates into any home environment, offering great convenience for daily use and storage. Smart data tracking. The step fitness machine is equipped with an advanced display that tracks real-time workout data, including calories burned, exercise duration, and step count. This data helps users better understand their fitness progress and plan their workouts more effectively. With clear feedback, users can adjust their exercise intensity to ensure each session meets their goals, enhancing the efficiency of their fitness routine. High-quality durable materials. To ensure durability and stability, our step fitness machine is constructed using ABS engineering plastic and steel tubes. The ABS material is lightweight yet sturdy, capable of withstanding long-term use without deformation, while the steel tube structure provides robust support, ensuring the machine remains stable during workouts. If you want to get full features or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. You can press to subscribe, recommend new products releases, update all day YouTube channel, to get instant notifications of all future uploads. Thank you and see you next video.